Applications to be informed. With the advancement of technology and the advantages of the internet, being informed of national and international news turns out to be very easy with the right tools. We can also do it through different media and platforms, also knowing contextualized analysis and interpretations. From your cell phone, you can be connected to many sources of information according to your interests. This is a selection of the best applications to be informed. Flipboard. Organize the news according to your interests. Gather magazines, articles, news or conversations on predetermined topics. It also allows you to publish your own content and invite other people to contribute supporting your publication. Google News. It is a smart news application that organizes world events. With the For You tab, it brings you together in one place. Summarize and choose 5 news during the day, with headlines and recent news about the topics that interest you. It is a catalogue of magazines to read when and where you want. If you do not have a subscription, you can download and read it for 5 minutes. If you access the payment, you can download and read them even without internet connection. The content is updated each time a new edition is aired. All the covers of the Colombian press in the same application. Allows you to customize the order of newspapers, adjust font sizes, share with your contacts, and have at your disposal more than 35 information media. 365 Scores. If you are interested in sports and especially football, with this application you can know live results, news, statistics, positions and much more. It also covers sports such as tennis, rugby, football and volleyball. AccuWeather. Presents forecasts of the local climate. Likewise, news, hours of the sun, clouds and UV radiation. Sends notifications and warnings to keep in mind climate changes and temperature sensations. Waze. If you want to know the status of traffic before leaving your home, this application is aware of what happens on the streets, sends traffic alerts, police, hazards, and it is always looking for the clearest route to save time.